How are we doing, guys, and welcome back to the pattern detail sessions. We have done 2 for Chonji, we've done 5 for Tangun, so we're going to move on to Dosan. First one we're going to do today is just the stance changes and the hand positions for the beginning 4 moves, but also they are relative to the 4 moves in the middle of the pattern as well. But I will go over them separately, simply because I want to cover the turn into the combinations. Okay, so for today, from your chumbi into your fold, 1, 2, into your fold, 3, 4. Okay. One of the first times in patterns where you actually start off with combinations at the beginning, not singular moves. Most importantly to understand, 1 stance, 1 step into 2 moves. 1, 2. Okay, it is not the same as Chonji going 1 and step. Okay, we're going 2 moves, 1 step. Okay, now the little details, the important bits for this are in particularly the hand positions as well as the step across. Okay, so we'll cover hand positions first. 1, because we are going with our left hand and our left foot, our left hand is what is going to be on the inside, closest to us. Again, I've been talking about hand positions a lot, and closest hand becomes front hand quite a bit in the previous video, so if you've been picking up on that, it applies to this as well. Okay, so because I'll be going to my left, it means my left hand is on the inside, backs of my hands or backs of my wrists together, like I'm wearing 2 watches, and the watches go face to face. Okay, so what we do is we pick up into the fold, left hand on the inside, because my left goes out to block. Notice I've turned my hand around. It's an outward facing middle block, not a normal one, outward middle block. This comes back to my bottom rib, and then it goes straight into my punch, bam, in my front stance. Easy peasy stuff. The footwork is front foot, my left comes straight across, and I twist on the spot into my second front stance. Okay? What we're not doing is the turn out of our basics, so it's not rear foot turn. Okay, and we want it in 1 movement. Okay, we do not do this like ITF guys do as a double step. Yeah, so I know where this pattern comes from, and I know you will see that 1-2 step happen a lot. Okay, we do not have it that way. We are not ITF, although it is ITF based pattern. 1-2 front foot moves. I turn my hips and go straight into my fold. Because I'm then going to block with my right hand, my right is on the inside. Okay, it is closest to me because that is going to be my front hand. Okay, so I go left hand on the inside, left foot step, left hand block, punch. Because I'm going to go that way, it goes left foot moves, turn my hips, right hand on the inside. My right foot becomes front, my right hand does my block, punch. Okay. That's all we need. There is very little footwork for 4 hand techniques. Okay. Last little detail for this is for guys, when you learn this, we force you into going fold before you do anything. Going, so we know that you're getting your hands right. It doesn't need a breath on it. Okay. When you get quick at this, we want it to go. That's the first breath you make. Or breath. On the block. We do not need a breath on the folds as well. It means you end up sounding like a steam train. Okay, so you go fold, block and breath, punch, come across and fold, breath, punch. Okay, that's the detail. I'll do it once as it is in the pattern, normal kind of pace. Listen as well as watch, because I'll show you the breathing. Okay, so from your chumbi, you'd bow in, you'd say your kata name, Dosan Yong, and off you go, and it goes. Yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2. Not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 when you're breathing. Okay, that's the little detail for today. The footwork and hand shapes. Remember, if it's your blocking hand, it is closest to you. Get that detail right, it helps you out for 99% of the syllabus that we have for patterns and formal blocking and stuff. Okay, enjoy.